Christa with artisticvegan.com, and I'm excited to be with you in my kitchen for another Artistic Vegan show. Today we are making a homemade vegan and gluten-free pumpkin pie, and this is made from scratch. I think you're really gonna love it. It comes together pretty easily. You make the pie crust and then you fill it and bake it. The hardest part is waiting, because you have to wait for it to cool for quite some time, but then after that you can enjoy it. And we had ours with some coconut cream on top, and it was really delicious. And my husband also said it was really delicious, so I think you're gonna like it. And it's great for this time of year. And also shout out and thank you to Betty with astrologywithbetty.com for requesting this recipe for her and her daughter, and I hope you both love it, and I hope everyone else does too. Let's get into how to make it. Combine your oats in a food processor and pulse them into a flour. Add starch of choice with guar gum, baking powder, salt, and mix that together. Scrape down the sides, add maple or agave syrup, coconut butter or coconut oil. Pulse that a few times to combine. Add water until it creates your pie dough, and you can roll this out or press it into your pie dish. Place it in the fridge while you make your filling and preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Combine your preferred sugar and spices together in a bowl with starch, pumpkin puree, your vegan quote-unquote egg mixture, vanilla, and coconut cream. And then mix that all together and pour it into your pie shell. Bake it for 60 minutes, cool it to room temperature, and place it in the fridge overnight or for at least 4 to 6 hours. Serve it with a little bit of coconut cream and cinnamon on top, and you're there. Doesn't that look delicious? It's really good. That about wraps up this show, and I can't wait to see you next time. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who may like a vegan and gluten-free pumpkin pie this season, or any time really. And comment below if you would like anything yourself. So I'll see you next time. Bye!